My name is Abhijit Kulkarni and I am a postgraduate in International Hospitality Management from Auckland University of Technology, New Zealand. The reason I am in this industry is my passion for food and beverage department. My education is supported by my experience since I have done 6 months of industrial training in 5-star properties like Taj Residency and Sun and Sand, both in India. Currently, I have been working with Rendezvous Hospitality Group New Zealand since May 2009. I am quite focused and dedicated employee towards any job given to me. Also, I am a very fast learner. Personally speaking, I like to work under pressure because I think it installs confidence within me. For example, the club lounge I am handling at the moment is very busy for both morning breakfast as well as evening drinks. But I've been able to handle this very effectively. I can say this because a lot of guests have given positive feedback about my service to the management. Also, whenever our bar or restaurant gets busy, my senior sends me to give them a hand. I take this as a reward. My aim is to gain maximum experience and knowledge within F&B department, which will take me to the responsible position within the same department. And I'm sure that my experience and knowledge is going to help me in that. As far as job is concerned, I don't have major weaknesses, but knowledge is unlimited and I want to keep on learning new things and practices within the hospitality industry. I am quite flexible about salary and salary comes second to experience and knowledge. Hence, as a hospitality graduate, I am interested in this job and I thank you very much for viewing my video resume. Finally, I would like to tell you that I have references which will attest my professionalism and skill. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Sanjana Jha. Currently, I am pursuing PGP in Business Analytics and Big Data at AG School of Business and Telecommunication. I've done my BTech in IT from Vishweshwar Institute of Technology, Greater Noida. Also, I have 30 months of experience as a .NET developer in Entity Data, Bangalore. Here at AG's, I have been exposed to various cutting-edge technologies such as R, Python, Hadoop, Spark, information retrieval, machine learning, data visualization, and many more. As a part of curriculum, I have done few projects and live projects. The first major project was to compare automobile brands on the basis of Twitter and Facebook feeds. The intention of the project was to find out which automobile brand is popular amongst the crowd. It was mainly done in Python, and for visualization I have used R. The second project I took up was to analyze BSE trends of those stocks which comes under Nifty. The intention of the project was to find out whether the stocks are sensitive to Fibonacci retracement. I have used Hive for file manipulation, and for rest of the analysis I have used R. Currently, I'm involved in developing a prediction model for a restaurant, which basically predicts the revenue of that restaurant for next 2 months. I'm using Python for the same. I'm looking forward to gain experience in the field of text mining, machine learning, and data visualization, and use my knowledge to solve real-world big data problems. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sudarshan Srinivasan and I am from Delhi. I am a graduate in BBA Banking and Insurance from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Indraprastha University. During my graduation, I did a 2-month internship at IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company, in which I got the Best Performer certificate. Currently, I am pursuing PGPM from IBS Gurgaon and I am interested in building my career in the field of sales and marketing. My biggest strength is that I am very punctual and I have the ability to make quick decisions even in the toughest situations. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I like playing cricket and I have represented my school and college at various cricket tournaments and leagues. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Supriya Karant MS. First of all, I would like to thank TCS for giving this opportunity to tell about myself, my area of interest and my hobbies. I'm doing my BE in Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I'm in Computer Science branch 7th SEM with a CGPA of 9.46. I did my PU in Viveka PU College, Kota with a percentage of 96.33, and I did my schooling in JC School, Sringeri with a percentage of 93. I know English, मैंने कन्नड़ा गोत्तु, मुझे हिंदी भी आती है, and I can understand Telugu a bit. And as a computer science student, I know C, C++, Java, Python, DS, DBMS and other concepts of computer science. I would like to work on cloud computing stream because there is leading technology now and all the industries are using cloud computing. And one more thing is I've already worked in two cloud computing giants, that is Salesforce and Amazon Web Services, AWS. In Salesforce, I've completed many badges. I'm a Salesforce Ranger and I was also the first Salesforce Ranger from Bangalore. And in AWS, I've done many programs as we have a lab of cloud computing in our college. So I've done many programs on that. I have an AWS account also. And in the future, I'm planning to do some certifications also in AWS. And my hobbies are, I like traveling a lot and I read lots and lots of books. This is what I wanted to say. Thank you.